Hi, my name is Stefania. Hi, I'm Ariana.
Hi, my name is Ian.
Hi, my name is Luciana.
And we're going to teach you about blizzards. What causes them? When a front of cold air meets a front of warm air. Clouds form and fill with ice crystals and water vapor. The vapor crystals mix to make snowflakes.
What do they happen? Blizzards happen in most of the USA when it is cold in the winter.
What are they? This is a blizzard. A blizzard is a strong snowstorm.
Wind blows at least 35 miles per hour. It looks white after.
Lasts 3 hours.
How to stay safe. Stay indoors and dress warmly. Drink lots of water. Keep pets indoors. During a blizzard, stay calm. And then we have a painting.
Yes.
This is the clouds forming.
Yeah.
And then there's some apartments
And then there's
cars.
the sun getting covered.
Yep.
Sun getting covered.
And then there's a tree over there, and there's another cart, and there's a person walking.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of snow down here.
Here. We use glitter for the snow so it looks like, and then we put a sidewalk on it so we could make the person walk on the sidewalk. We put a tiny bit of snow on it so it looks like the snow drivers didn't get the snow.
A lot more.
Also, we have this painting.
Yeah,
Yes.
we have that.
It's the mini version. It's the mini
of this
version
of this painting.